Hi, good day to all. Myself, Ms. Arpita, Faculty of But and But Tutorials. I will be handling Navodaya, Sainik as well as RMS classes. Well, my dear kids, in this session, we'll solve the second chapter for your syllabus, that is figure matching. In the first chapter, we have solved mental ability. For mental ability, we have solved the first chapter is odd man out. We have solved the question and answers also, and we have saw how the procedure and all, isn't it? How the question will be arising in the odd man out. The first chapter for your syllabus, that is odd man out. They will give the 4 figures. In that 3 will be sharing the common features or a characters and 1 will not share. So what we have to do, we have to take out one which does not exist to the group. For example, they'll give 3 apples and 1 mango, isn't it? So what is the answer there? Mango. We should take out which does not exist to the group. That is your first chapter. It is the non-verbal test. Non-verbal is nothing but which consists of figures and diagrams only. Okay. The first chapter we have studied in mental ability, that is odd man out. Okay. It is a non-verbal. What is the procedure in that? In that they'll give the 4 options. In the 3 will be having the common features or a characters and 1 will be not sharing. So what we have to do? We have to take out one which does not belongs to the group. It was very easiest chapter that we have learned from your lower classes itself. And in this session, we'll move on to the second chapter for your syllabus, that is figure matching. Under Navodaya mental ability session, the second chapter for your syllabus, that is figure matching. Let us see how to solve the question and answers in it and what are the methods to be followed in figure matching. It is a very easiest chapter that we have learned from your kindergarten itself. Okay, let us see now the second chapter for your syllabus for mental ability, that is figure matching. See, introduction. Let me give the introduction about the chapter. The problem on similarity, my dear kids, don't confuse with the word similarity. Similarity and the figure matching is one and the same. The problem on similarity involves the search of similar conditions. Okay, the search of similar condition in the alternatives. What is mean by alternatives there? Alternatives is nothing but the option, the 4 options which they give as indicated in the problem figure. I'll explain this. How the questions are asked in the figure matching. How the questions are asked in the figure matching. Let us see now. In the following questions, a figure is given in the left hand side. Okay, in the following figure, one figure will be they give in the left hand side and then followed by 4 options in the right hand side. So what you people have to do, you have to find out the same question figure in the options. Okay, that is what here. Each of the following questions, a figure is given in the left hand side. One figure they will give the left hand side. Find the same figure. See, should not even a single difference in that. We have to find out the same figure in the options. Okay, the alternatives which they give. This is the about how the question will be asked in the figure matching. Let me recall how the figure asked in the odd man out. They'll give the 4 figures. In the 3 will be sharing the common features or a characters. So what we have to do? We have to take out the which does not exist to the group. But here they'll give one figure in the left hand side and the 4 figures in the right hand side. So what we have to do? We have to find out the same problem figure in the options, given options. In each of the following question, a figure is given in the left hand side. Find this one same figure among the following 4 in the right hand side. This is also called as similarity. Don't get the confused if they give the word similarity. Similarity and then figure matching one and the same. For example, let me take a live example. For example, like match the following. In the kindergarten, first standard, second standard, you people have solved, isn't it? Match the following. Here they will give apple, mango, banana, orange. Here also left hand side also they will give. What you have to do? You are matching, isn't it? Like same only. But here it consists of geometrical shapes and then geometrical figures. This is about your figure matching. Now, to solve this, what are the methods to be followed? Let us see what are the methods to be followed for solving the question answers on figure matching chapter. Look carefully the shape of the designs. Okay, look carefully for the shape of the design. In the sense, you have to go through each and every option. You have to look for the shapes. Okay, what is the shape of the design, and what is the inner design, what is the outer design, like that. You have to look carefully for the shape of the design. Study the problem carefully. Yes, this is very important. You have to study the problem carefully. As soon as you see the question, you should not directly tick the answer. See, first what is the procedure here? Here they'll give one at the left hand side and the four figures at the right hand side, isn't it? We have to find out the same figure, the question figure in the right hand side. Well, solving the question, we should not take the answer directly. We should go through each and every option. If the option 1 is not correct, we should say that why it is not correct. We have to able to reason. Okay, and then match the following figure one by one from the problem figure. Match the following figure one by one from the problem figure. That is only go through each and every option and tick the answer. If it is the first answer is not correct, we should see the reason why it is not correct and what is the reason for that. If you have the able to reasoning now itself, it is very easy to solving the examination. And don't take the question too lightly as it seems. Yes, my dear kids, you all, I know you all are familiar with your match the following, but when we solving this particular chapter, by knowingly or unknowingly you're making the mistakes. So what we have to do, we should not give a chance for that. So don't take the question too lightly. Yes, by looking on the question only, yes, this is the answer, ma'am, I can say, but you can do the minute mistake. So what we have to do to avoid that minute mistake, we have to go through each and every option, and you should not take the question too lightly as it seems. These are the methods to be followed while solving the question answers based on figure matching. I'll repeat once. Methods of solving. Look carefully the shape of the design. We have to look carefully for shape and the design. The second one is study the problem carefully. We have to study each and every problem carefully, and then match the answer one by one. We have to match the answer one by one. By seeing only the question directly, we should not mark the answer. We should go through each and every option. Why now? First option is the correct answer, second is the not. We should able to reason that why the second one is not an answer. What is the reason for that? My dear kids, if you are now started to reasoning in the exam within a fraction of second, you can answer. These other methods should be followed while solving the question answers based on figure matching, since it is a very easiest chapter where you can score out of it. Okay, next let us see some examples how to solve. See, as I said, they'll give one figure at the left hand side and then four figures at the right hand side. So what we have to do, we have to find out the same figures. We have to find out the same problem figure. We have to find out the same problem figure on the right hand side. Now, shall we solve this? See here, the problem figure is consist of triangle. Here it consists of triangle and then the small triangle. Okay. Now, first one is not answer because why? It has completely two triangle. So, first one is not an answer. Now, second one, see a triangle and then the small triangle. Yes, it is the correct answer. Now, let us try with the third option. Why? Yes, here is also a triangle and then it's a small triangle also. Why it is not the answer? Because the position of the small triangle is different. It is facing towards the right, but it is in the left. So third one is not an answer. Fourth one, yes, the fourth one is not answer because it has a different figure. So what is the correct answer here? Option 2. Option 2 is the correct answer. We have to find out the similar figure. Okay, we have to find out the same similar figure. So what is the answer? Option 2 is the answer here. See, it has consists of a triangle and then the small triangle. We have to find out the same question figure. Why not the first one? Because it consists of completely two triangles. So option 1 is not the answer. Yes, you have the confusions between option 2 and the option 3. See, look at the diagram. Option 1, question figure, it consists of full triangle. Yes, here also, and then 3 also. But the position of the small triangle is different. So what is the procedure here? We have to find out the same problem figure among the given option. There should be not even a single mistake also. This is about your first example. We'll move on to the second example. Yes, look at the second example. Here one curve, and it consists of two circles, and one circle is filled with a, what is that, plus symbol, and another one is filled with a multiplication symbol. Now check the same figure in the following diagrams. Look at the option 1. Why the option 1 is not the correct answer? Yes, if the triangular curve is also given and the two circles, but see the signs over the circles, both are also having the multiplication symbol. So option 1 is not an answer. Now come to the option 2. Here also curve is given, but look at the option, both is also filled with the addition symbol. So option 2 is also not an answer. And my dear kids, come with the third option. Yes, it is, the curve is also given, and then the subtraction circle is filled with the what is that, multiplication and then addition symbol. Yes, it is looking like correct only, right? But see to the curve here. Look at the shape of the curve, isn't it? It is opposite to the given question. So third one is not an answer. Now we'll compare with the third one. See to the curve, and then one circle is filled with the addition and the second one is filled with the multiplication. It looks like same as the question figure. So what is the answer? Option 4 is the answer. This is what I am saying. You have to find out the same problem figure among the given options. And this is a repeated question in JNV, is nothing but Jawaharlal Nehru Vidyalaya. Repeated question in 2017 and 1993. My dear kids, you should concentrate on repeated question. It's nothing but they'll not give the same questions in this exam. It's similar questions will be coming in this exam. So what is the correct option here? Option 4. That is what I am saying. Looking directly to the option, we should not directly tick the answer. We should go through each and every option. If the option 1 is not a correct answer, you should have to able to tell why it is not. Okay. Now what is the correct option here? Option 4 is the correct answer. The problem figure is similar to the given answer. So what is the correct option? Option 4 is the correct answer. Okay, we have to identify the same figure which resembles the problem figure. What the problem figures is look like, we have to find out the same answer figure. This is what your figure matching. It is a very easiest chapter. So what we have to do, we have to go through each and every option. Here there is no tricks. Here you have to look carefully for the diagram. That's all. I know you people know this well from in the kindergarten itself, but you will be making the mistake by hurrying. Okay, we should not. We have to live in the patience, and we have to solve this. Okay, next we'll move on to the next example. Yes, next example looking very beautifully, isn't it? It consists of smiley, and then one eye is closed, one eye is closed and open. Let us see this. See, problem figure consists of a circle and then two circles shaded. One is shaded and another one is open, and then the arrowhead, it is moving from left to right, isn't it? Now compare with the options. Option 1, yes, it is correct. It is option 1. The shaded part is the first eye is closed, open, but see the arrow mark, it is moving in the opposite direction. So option 1 is not an answer. Now come to the option 2. See here, a eye is shaded and then eye is open. An arrow is moving from left to right. Yes, it looks like same as the problem figure. It is the correct answer. Now, why not the third one? Look at the shaded part of the eyes here. Right hand side is open and the left hand side is closed. So, option 3 is not an answer. And option 4, here also the shaded part of the eye is different. The position of the shaded part of the eye is different. So, it is not a correct answer. And this is very important question. It is repeated in 2017 as well as the 1995. So what is the correct option here? Option 2 is the correct answer. The problem figure is similar to the given figure. So option 2 is the correct answer. We have to identify the same figure which resemble the problem figure. We should not even find a single mistake. Whatever the problem figure, we have to find out the same figure. Next we'll move to the next example. Yes, next example is kind of difficult. Okay, let us see how to solve this. You see here, it is some looking like a carom board, isn't it? Very beautiful. Yes, let us see now how to solve this. Look at the problem figure. Count how many lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lines, and then holes in the corners. Okay, last line, last one is empty, and then last but one is filled with the 4 circles, isn't it? Now come to the option 1. Why not the option 1 is the correct answer? There you have to look at the figure carefully there. Okay, you have to look at the figure carefully. See, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, lines are correct. And then see the 4 options, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the shaded part. Okay, the shaded part is also correct. Okay, and then is this a correct? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is having the 6th line. So option 1 is not an answer. Come to the option 2. Here it is not an answer because there is no holes here, isn't it? There is no holes in the corner. So option 2 is also not a correct answer. Come to the option 3. See, it looks like same. It has a 5 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines, and then 4 holes in the corner, and it's look same to the problem figure. Yes, it is the correct answer. And here there is no holes in this, the holes in the corner. So option 4 is the wrong answer. Now you have the doubt, confusion between option 1 and the option 3, isn't it? Now look at the option there. In the question, it is like, see, in the first option, the inner design. Okay, the inner design is shaded darken. Can you see here? It is shaded darken. But in the option 3, it looks like same as the problem figure. This is what is the option there? Option 3 is the correct answer. It looks similar to the same. So therefore, option 3 is the correct answer. Now we'll move on to the next one. Next one, see to the problem figure. It consists of one triangle and then one arrowhead and then one line. Now compare. Yes, the first one is not answered because here the arrows are perpendicular to each other. Like one arrow is facing to another one. The here it is in opposite direction. So it is not a correct answer. Check with the option 3. Yes, it looks like a same, but here the problem figure is reversed. So it is not a correct answer. Now check with the option 3. Yes, arrow is moving from left to right and then add. Yes, it is the correct answer. Why not the third one, fourth one? See, the whole, okay, this one is different. The moving of the arrow, the position of the arrow is different. So what is the correct option there? Option 4 is the, option 3 is the correct answer. Here we have to find out same similar figure. So option 3 is the correct answer. Next we'll move on. Next is we have to look at the problem figure. Problem figure which consists of 3 circles and then 1 square. Okay, it consists of 3 circles. See, can you see 3 circles and then 1 square? We'll go with the first option. Yes, first option, it consists of 2 circles and 2 squares. So option 1 is not a correct answer. Go with the option 3. Yes, 3 circles and then 1 square. Yes, it is the correct answer. And then here 3 circles, 4 circles. It is consists of 4 circles. So option 3 is not a correct answer. Option 4, yes, it is. It consists of 2 squares and then 2 circles. Here also it is not a correct answer. So what is the correct option here? Option 2 is the correct answer, and it is repeated question in 2016. Here what we have to do, we have to find out the same figure, similar figure as the problem figure. Therefore option 2 is the correct answer, and this is how we have to solve the question answers based on this. So the second chapter for your syllabus, that is figure matching. And my dear kids, it is a very easiest chapter where you can score out of 4. But what we have to do, we have to be calm and patient. Okay, when solving this particular chapter, You have to be patient. You have to go through each and every option, then you should tick the answer. As soon as seeing the question, you should not tick the answer. If the first answer is not a correct answer, you should able to reason why it is not a correct answer. This is what the figure matching. It is a very easiest chapter, and I hope you all understood. If you have any doubts, you can ask me or message to this number. In the next session, we'll discuss some more question based on this chapter, and we'll recall once. Okay, the second chapter for your syllabus, that is figure matching. Figure matching is also called as similarity. Don't get confused with the word. They give similarity. The figure matching and similarity is one and the same. How to solve this question? They'll give one figure at the left hand side and the four figures at the right hand side. So what you have to do, you have to find out the same problem figure in the answer for in the answer figure. Among the four alternatives, you have to choose the same question figure what they have given. We should not change even a single dot. Also, we have to look for the same figure. And what are the methods to be followed? We have to look for the figure carefully, and then we have to study the problem. And my suggestion is to please be calm while doing this chapter. Okay, in the next session, we'll solve some more questions based on this chapter. With this, I'll end my session. If you have any doubts, you can message to this number, or if you have missed any session, please click on the link given below. Thank you all. Stay home, stay safe.